Welcome to CAFM Consult once again. Today class will be looking at some problems on HCF and LCM. Previously we've done that. We've done HCF and LCM, that is highest common factors and lowest common multiple. We want to see some word problem on it. Example 1 says 2 tankers 50 liters of kerosene oil respectively. Find the maximum. The word maximum, anytime you hear word maximum in something like this, the word find the maximum capacity. The thing is just telling you that what you are going to do there is the highest common multiple. Are you getting it? Maximum. When you hear minimum, know that you are going to look for the lowest common. Are you getting it? Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tanker. That is, they are telling you that you should find a particular container that you can put in the same tanker at the same time. If you put that container here, you also can put it in the second container to measure. So that is the HCF, the highest common factors between them. So look at the solution. So the maximum capacity of such a container now will be the HCF. The maximum capacity of such a container will be the what? The HCF. The maximum capacity of such a container now will be the HCF of 850 and 680, the HCF of it. So you know we have a different method of doing it. So you can use your prime method to look for this prime factors, or you can just draw your table, whichever one that you see that is very easy for you to use. Are you getting it? Okay, let's look at the table because of the space. Okay, let's make use of the table. You have 850 and 680. So if you look at it here now, if you look at it, 2 can divide. So wow, it will be short of space. Okay, let me make use of top one there. Okay. Okay. So solution. So you have your 850 and 680. Okay. So here, can 3 divide? No. So you are making use of 5. That's 5. 2 first. 2 times 4 to 5. Okay. 4 to 5. I give you 2 times 5 times 5, 8, 4, 5 in 40. You're going to have 8 remainder. So the next one, that is 2 times 5 times 5 times 17. So you're done with that. So your 680, I'll give you 2 times 2 divided by that. That is 340. 2 can still go. You have 2 times the second 2 times 170. You can see 2 can still go. 2 times 2 times 8. That should be what? 85 times 2 times 85. Then you can still have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 17. Okay, the HCF, you can see you have they both have 2, they both have 2, they both have 5, have 5, both have 5, and they both have 17. Let me write it here. Your 850 now can be written as what? 2 times 5 times 5 times 7. Okay, while your 680 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 17. So you can see what I'm saying now. 17, 5, 2. So your HCF now equals 2 times 5 times 17. And that should give you what? 2 times 5, that is 10, 170. So therefore, the maximum capacity, of the container now, will be 170. 170. That will be 170. That will be the maximum capacity container, 170 liter. That will be the container that will be needed. Okay. Like I said, you can make use of the other method. Which is the table method. That is, you write 50, 680, and you start dividing. That is 2. This is 4, 2, 5, 340, 2. This divide the 2, so you circle it. 2. This is 425, 170. Now divide it. 2, 425, 85, 5. This is 85, 17. 5 again. This 5 divided 2. 5 again. 17, 1. This one did not divide it. 17, 17. So 17, 1, 1. So you can see now that will give you the same thing. 2 times 5 times 17. So you have 170 liter. That will be the container. At what? How many times? Without 170 goes on 850. So that will be 5 exact time for 850 liter. For that tanker, that particular container will be able to measure it. The maximum capacity of the required container is 170 liter. It will fill the first container in what? 5 times. That is, if you look at it, 170 divided 850 divided by 170 to give you 5 times. While the second container, it will be 4 times. You get that now. So let's move to the second example. I hope that should be clear. Go through it again, practice it, and you get it right. So the second one say, in a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. The step measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum? You know, I say when you hear minimum, you should know that what they are asking of you is the LCM. That is lowest common multiple. Is what they are asking you. And you hear that. So next thing, you can easily use your table. Solution, use your table method. Draw your table. 80, 85, 90 centimeter. So everything is a centimeter. So 240, 85, 45. 2 can still go 20, 85, 45. 2 can still go, they'll give you 10, 85, 45. 2 can still go 5, 85, 45. 5. No, before 5 you have 45. So you go to 3, 3, 5, 85, 15. 85. Then 3 can still go again. That is 5, 85, 5. Then 5, 1, 17, 1. Then 17, 1, 1, 1. So that'll give you what? 2 times 2 times 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 17. 2 times 2 is 5 times 17. That will give you 16 times 9 times 5 times that is 85. And that give you 12 to 40. 12 to 40 centimeter. 12 to 40, 12,000. What are they saying? What do they say, Shozi? What is the minimum distance? So the minimum distance he should walk. The minimum distance each should walk now is what? 12 to 40 centimeter. I hope that is clear. So we have it for today once again. Please, let's master this. Don't forget, when you hear maximum capacity, talking about your what? ACL. When you hear minimum, when you hear minimum talks about your LCM. Just get that clear. See you next class by God's grace.